Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a video on Facebook Marketplace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Facebook, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, adding a video to your listing on Facebook Marketplace can significantly enhance your chances of attracting potential buyers and of course selling your item quickly. Now, if you haven't done so or if you don't have a listing yet, just click on the create new listing. Alright, now you can choose the listing type. It could be item for sale, create a single listing for one or more items to sell, or a vehicle for sale if you wanted. You can sell a car, truck, or other type of vehicle, or list a house of apartment for sale or rent. Let me click on the item for sale. Now the thing is, you see, you can add photos and medias here or drag and drop. This is the magic section wherein you can add a video here on the Facebook Marketplace, which we are going to do right now. Now just wait for it a little bit. You can actually add some title here if you wanted. And of course, once you've done that, all you're going to do is proceed to next and just follow the on-screen instructions. Basically, the reason why people doing it is that videos can help establish trust with potential buyers by showing the actual item in its condition in a more transparent manner than static images. This transparency can reduce skepticism and increase the likelihood of a successful sale. Now, you can also do this if you use the Facebook on your mobile device. It's the same process, alright? Videos allow you to zoom in specific features. You can show any imperfections or unique selling points and provide a more accurate representation of the item compared to photos alone. Now, if you are more comfortable in the mobile device, let's head over now and try to upload a video on there as well. Now, once you are on your mobile device, and again, this is the section where you can add photos, videos, and media. Alright, put in your title, and that's going to be alright. After that, all you're going to do is click on publish and you would be able to add videos on your market items. Now, the thing is, when you put a video in the marketplace listing, it can enhance the buying experience for potential customers. It increases interest in your item and ultimately improve your chances of making a successful sale. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.